Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on iPhone. First, open the Obsidian app on your iPhone. Here you will see options like Create a Vault or Use My Existing Vault. Select the option that matches your setup. Now tap on Continue Without Sync or Set Up Sync, depending on what appears on your screen. Here you will see sync options like Obsidian Sync or iCloud. Select Obsidian Sync. Now tap on Use Obsidian Sync to continue. Then tap on Sign Up. Here enter your email address and tap Sign Up again. Now enter your full name and password, then tap Sign Up once more to create your account. After that, you will receive a verification email with instructions to activate and connect Obsidian Sync. Open your email inbox and follow the link to confirm your account and complete the setup. Once everything is verified, your Obsidian Vault will start syncing automatically across your devices using Obsidian Sync. If you want to use Google Drive specifically, you would need a third-party file sync method like the Google Drive app or a file manager integration, since Obsidian Sync itself is a separate paid cloud service. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.